Hello and welcome to another Carstar video. Today we're going to be removing the door mirror from a Peugeot 4008. We will also be removing partially the door trim, inner door trim. Here we have the door mirror on the vehicle. First, like any other vehicle, we will see where the plug goes. So that the trim on the inside of the door, we'll remove that one and we'll see the plug runs down into the door trim, so that's why we need to remove the door trim to unplug the cable for the door mirror. We'll remove the covers that have screws behind them. So there's two on this door trim, one on the door handle and one next to the door window switch handle. Remove the covers, and then there's two Phillips screws there. And then we will go ahead and remove the two Phillips screws on the door handle and the window switch. And after that point, the only thing that's left to do would be to remove the door trim from the door shell, and the thing that holds it in place is the clips on the inside. White clips, they can break, mind you, so I use plastic clip removers for this part of the video, where I'll slide them through in between the door and the door trim. So as you can see in the video, just trying to get some space. Because the clips that hold this can break, it's just one of those things. But this basically, I like to do this at the bottom of the door trim where it's not easily visible to anyone that looks at the door. And once you have enough space, it's just pulling them two apart. We won't be completely removing the door trim, because we'll just put it to the side a bit, so we can have access to the plug for the door mirror. Now this is the plug for the door mirror, the cable. This is why we remove the door trim. We will unplug this one. It's just a push on. You push on to the clip remover or the clip, and then unplug the plug for the door mirror. And then all that's left is the 10mm bolts. Three of these hold the door mirror onto the door shell, and when you remove these ones, the door mirror is completely detached from the door shell. And if you are going to be refitting, just follow the same steps in this video backwards. One thing I'm going to add to the end of this video is what to do with the clips. Now we will get white clips from the shell side, if there's any left on the shell when we remove the door trim, and put those white clips onto the door trim. So as you can see over here, there is a various clips. The reason why is because they slide on onto the door trim, and when putting it back on, it's easier to have them on the door trim instead of the door shell. And once you do that, here's how to perform putting on the door trim. First, you want to put the top side and slide it in downwards into the window sill, and then once that slides in, if you put the clips onto the trim side, it'll just be a push on kind of effect, and a few slaps here and there. And this is pretty much applicable to all vehicles, even though this one's from a Citroen C4 Carstar. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.